say.
But from the parcel office.
Parcel office.
So that's fine.
I don't send the other.
I'm sending the other one.
Yeah.
No parcel office. How do my baby?
Now, I didn't know what send it.
But me send the phone.
What send the phone? What the cook?
Sexual also.
The teacher say, the entire me true Virginia. Me a hire me Juma. This is my car. Yeah, I drive this car. Yeah.
Okay.
Me are not pay me free service or and neighbor. Me bedroom emergency drivers for me so my emre. Oh, one am here strong and I may say load was idea. Yes. My parcel office no yeah honey Juma. So I was send the first a delay. So I was send the free here to service so what the parcel office it be take about 4 days.
Hey!
And send through her. So what is and a phone bay.
The battery iPhone 11 Pro Max.
11 Pro Max. Parcel office over 500 cedis.
Huh?
Yeah. So phone the board na you share idea no e bo na e dey charge.
Yeah, asemo.
Enti me kwa no na ka nipa be me no pe na ye ma. Me kwa no me du sisi a.
Enti what about kwa ma?
Me si kwa so acha 1 at 30 minutes madu. Enti ndo kwa ma to dem 200 cedis na me nya na shabu shabu.
Me just say
200 cedis na me fan kuma sisi a. Huh?
But so so 100 cedis.
I mean any obekwa pass office no.
But in 4 days they mean to me. If I so here for no money me am sere.
Enti na me catch you say just give 200 cedis. Mama the amount fast me deliver amount. Now all the brand will buy.
Me am saying me go to biaba.
Jai bra. Yeah, Juma na no an ye nti nim ya Juma dada. So what you say?
Me da say.
Phone e kama de. Oh, so ni na me hwe say ni so.
Me ba charge cram.
Because I don't be send phone no. Say ni so ni ade ade mouthpiece ya Juma.
Bibia na be phone de phone mu no. Me
pese me di be kokodu afi na e be say dey say.
Baby na say phone mu no eni hwe. Bibia ya kama e mu no na me am di me account say onu nya case e bi nfo.
Very good.
But I say me send mobile money.
No. Okay, yan kwana me ngi nipa kwa information ntwe twe bia nwu akire na so send money.
Oh, okay.
Now we.
On the bus, yeah, the bus we na dey no ochi.
Into away.
Na mu nya na bai. Yensi nyen kwahwehwe no. You ni Mr. Sikaria na no ochi bus we ya.
Okay, see abedru yard. Me na bai. Oh me so be ha. Nti se be se nyen kwahwehwe no.
Man bi sani din o.
Bese ne ye be hu no.
Ma me kwahwe ne number no na me fa enu bom empe. Shey no empe na ka we do nya wodi ayamfo. Aha, that's nani. GS 526820 and one. It's what you good me man I'm chigu match. When I'm GS 20 I'm chigu so 5268. Okay, that's right. Yeah, Pekana, a cost session, yours, no, GS 526820. Yeah, Pesa driver now, which never saw or wrong pass or my and the only pass or baby or honor. And your friend was so yeah, more hasn't or born in myself and rent. And went to Lina.
No more business and the amano and
and I be serious.
Okay, send it in the man.
But there be in the car number or bomb. And I'm patch your car station, but you run a can of still yeah, let's see I shall around in Tina.
Okay, where they send your bonnet. No bunny, dear. I'm going to say, I got more better than I do. I'm saying to that, and the kind of man to do
From different. Oh, Madam, phone no way. Oh, Madam, make the phone no way. Oh, that's 1 year. Oh, that's Madam. Me baba send the phone. I am going to session yours. I'm a trying to Musa some pastor office. I'm also a pastor office there. Almost 500 Ghana. It's from now with the person in Maboka. But who was she? Yours. It's about 200 Ghana. A person. Let me tell you what you 200 Ghana. 200 Ghana is covered. My son, the phone. Yes, the phone. They say a necking of 3 days. And the person is my phone. I'm running. Oh, what is that? About if the friend got that wrong. What's up? And I open an espresso. I'm a sort of opponent, second opponent. And also, make a quite a skill. Me, Kwana, I just said, me special driver, me Kwana, me, but I said, I was so no man in and out. And it's something for phone, me, not from the phone, and command. My son, the phone, the clock, how was it? There's a go. I didn't want some. Nothing in the back. I just was on the phone. And they're fanning to an Ibanese 30 million. I don't know. Massa, I do not know. Sana company in the trail. Company in the trail said, oh, toilet is a wild to make person. I had the cost. I'm not talking about you said my you wouldn't say company in Tressa. Begging a line will be added. That's what I'm an unfound pastor office. And you what you are and doing Jimmy Fetcher. Gabby, as I would company in Mass. Was it 500 Ghana cities? And I pass on your body. And this is I just said, I don't know, from the phone, my dear, and so your case now, you know, and I make a catch yourself. What's a company? Winning black and what companies I know. Look, I say, who catch them say 500 Ghana cities. Pastor office, our phone cry. Amuna open on the head. I have forgotten off a bit of your show. What I say, and may catch now, Madam. Phone is 90 million of currency. 9,000 Ghana cedis. I for 11. What is 200 Ghana cedis. Duty free, my because you come with 92. What currency? Nama ya this. What you say? Mene bako esoro na any pain for na kokasa. 3 days time. You be who kwa be fast. You who phone na.
Yeah, you bet you.
Na ye ba na mo dwane.
Yeah,
Fu na nya metia obu fu.
Me nua no ko ba dwane. We government worker.
We government worker dey try trust. Aba na aba wan hihye. Sa aba na phone aba wan hihye.
Me metro man driver.
Anya aba worker no wan wia.
3 days na. And then office.
Yeah, be some
Ma me ntu number.
Number. Number na.
Ma chobobo.
72696.
Me frɛ.
From Mr. Safo. I do the Bibiana.
Faso no mama ye.
Me number is
no number crowd there. I say me na case no Wahima. In case of
Today I will say 3 days pepper.
3 days down.
3 days time. Yeah,
Yeah, who are? You let you understand.
No personal attendance. And a Safo point officer. Every driver can go by. Say what you may be phone. Our day. For the call also. Walk on the phone so I I'm not the report to a Safo point officer. To the buy and so no. Yeah, pass the phone. I'm rather dead man say. What driver can get pass on? I ran a owner tracker. But Thomas man say. What driver and near my bar. Passing via Fabra personal attendance. Near record. Near for a percentage man. And to the buy and so I quite a phone dear. Embrano. It's a saying, what aroma? Let him run dinner. Tony a penny. It is some day by him.
Thank you. Ajima, at our staff number, I say.
Pacho 200 253.
We are driver of mass.
Pacho I me am the load cost yours.
When you say metro mass, I just said, so will be the parcel bar. Your parcel office, woman was a handle. Unimsa,
Pacho me away pa.
Now, and then yeah, say, Upa say, Uj parcel, a witchy. I try not parcel office yen to me.
Pacho open the tiani say, let the media get the buy. Me kwame chere say parcel office or onko. And I was say, or pentem or per se adie no kodru fast. Na me say there be wo de nkafa ko ho no say oh menua ska wo me hu no esua just say that kra ancha
no da me pacho otaye papa to the 3 times otaye
me Davi ultimate me na kwa so me compare me wa send bobo money fia bi say me do na ma de ato nsuo bi e che say open we de mo fa nche me my mistake
Adimai. Sikasam de me ne oni hu problem. The problem is say according to Metro Man Transit Company Limited, the rules and regulations. HSA driver, conductor, only who can say OJ parcel, a bra parcel office. Unimsa, na adan na ma me ne buy. Say o car say o pentum so pentum. Unim say the same bus na oba ne pentum. The same bus na drive we out the call yours.
Pacho, my full shot, mon function.
It would be what you call pass office. Any edema at 2 bars ma. Santem Panua or Barney, Santem Panua bus. The same hours they do through yours.
Me patron. Mon function. Until I make us say, one mistake will be here.